Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll pop down and you should see a hood release lever right here. Then we'll pull this and that should pop open the safety so you can open the hood now. If there's no tension here at all, you might need to check back behind all this to make sure all these cables are connected with some tension. And if they're not, you might need to address that. But since we pulled that, this hood should be slightly loose now. So you can reach your fingers in. There's a lever right in here. I'm gonna push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And then we're gonna use this arm to hold it up. Sorry for the camera work, but now that arm is holding the hood up. And there's that hinge we were just pushing to release it. Make sure there's nothing bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned. If it's sticking a lot, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. Then again, for the up top where it was hooked onto, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well. So if it's crooked, that could cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.